Hello YouTube friends! Today I wanted to make a video about something that I found at my local King Soopers, and that's Kroger brand pore strips. Anybody who's ever watched any one of my videos knows that I like face masks and pore strips, and I often test them, and I've tried knockoff brand pore strips before and they actually worked out pretty good. So when I saw Kroger brand, I knew I definitely wanted to get my hands on them. If you like doing pore strips, you know that they are pretty expensive. Like, you get a box of like 8 for like $8. That's like $1 a pore strip. And that might not seem like very much, but they're like one teeny tiny piece of paper for your nose, and that's pretty expensive. This whole box, which came with 6, was about $4. So if they work well, then that's a pretty good deal to me, I'd say. So basically these are exactly the same thing as the Biore ones. All the instructions are basically the same. You wash your face, you wet your nose, you apply it, you wait 10 to 15 minutes until it's hard, and then you slowly peel it off and all the gunk and stuff should be gone from your face. That's the main goal. This side, it more curves down into the sides of your nose, which the other ones don't, and they're very stiff from the start. So this one's actually pretty soft. Yes, the black side goes down first. Watch this video first if you just bought these, because I just wasted one for you. You're welcome. And there's also like a scent. There's like a perfumey kind of smell to it, which isn't bad. I don't really think it's necessary, but there's nothing bad about these yet. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for 10 to 15 minutes until this is hard and dry, and then we will peel it off. Okay, so it's been like 25 minutes, and I seriously cannot tell if it's dry or not. It's not nearly as firm as the Biore ones, but I mean, it looks like I got concrete stuck to my face, but it still feels like it could be not stiff in some places, but I mean, it's way over the time now, so I'm gonna peel it off anyways. Okay, so when I peeled it off, I could tell you right off the bat that I didn't think it was doing much. And honestly, looking at it, there's practically nothing. I'm not gonna lie, I had really high hopes, and I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought it would do a little bit more than that, but oh, it really didn't. Even though this pore strip did not work how I wanted it to work, it's okay, because next week I will be posting a video about how to make a pore strip work so much better, because honestly this one did not work at all, basically. So we're gonna see if those special hacks that I have actually work for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next one next week. Bye bye!